My hats are really off to the people who built this spacecraft and made it work. My hats are off to all you people down there that have worked to keep us up here and keep the flight going smoothly.
Spectators came to Edwards Air Force Base from all over the nation and all walks of life to celebrate the nation's 206th anniversary of independence and witness historical events more spectacular than the typical 4th of July fireworks display could ever hope to equal. The fourth landing of Space Shuttle Columbia, world's first reusable spacecraft. Columbia's first landing on a concrete runway, officially ending the orbital flight test program.
Columbia, Houston, have a good burn. We'll see you at Guam at 30.
All right, sir, we're starting number 2.
Roger.
That's looking good.
This is Shuttle Control. We have a C-band radar contact at 183,000 feet. FIDO says Columbia is 10 miles high, slightly south of ground track. Altitude's 164,000 feet. Mach 10. Range to go is 353 miles. Crew conducting a series of aerodynamic maneuvers. Feet now. Mach 8. 279. Range is 263 miles.
Columbia, Houston, take TAC in.
Okay, sir, put it up.
Columbia now utilizing the tactical air navigation system. 138,000 feet, Mach 7.3, 230 miles to go. Columbia 10 miles high on energy and converging now.
Columbia, Houston, 10 high on energy, converging. Check body flap.
Right, sir.
Feet, Mach 6.3, range to go 185.
Columbia, Houston, disregard the evap out.
Disregard, let me come down. Columbia is over the Channel Islands now. Your transmissions are back normal. Approaching the coast at 112,000 feet. Mach 4.7. Energy has converged now. Feet, Mach 4, range to go 110 miles. Feet, Mach 1.8, 44 miles to go. maiden long-range camera has acquired Columbia. At 69,000 feet, Mach 1.6, 39 miles to go. Columbia now about 5 minutes from touchdown at 61,000 feet, Mach 1.3. Thrust.
Columbia, Houston, cameras.
Columbia at Mach 1.1 now at 51,000 feet, range 27 miles. Mach 0.9 at 44,000 feet, range 23 miles.
Columbia, Houston, 42,000 feet, approaching the hack.
Roger. Into the runway. 33,000 feet. Airspeed 258 knots. Coming aboard on the right.
Good show.
28,000 feet.
12.
Houston, did you find another transmission path?
Feet at 286 knots. 18,000 feet now.
TK surface winds 240 at 12.
Thank you. Turning into a heading lined up with the runway now. 14,000 feet. Current airspeed 264. Roger. Columbia on final and looking very good. 12,000 feet. .9,600 feet. 282 knots. Into auto land guidance now. Columbia will stay in auto land guidance until 2,500 feet. And Mattingly will take over at 2,500 feet for the landing. .280 knots at 4,200 feet. 3,000. Gear coming. Gear down. Gears down. control here. The unofficial landing time, 7 days, 1 hour, 9 minutes, 40 seconds. To repeat, the unofficial landing time, 7 days, 1 hour, 9 minutes, 40 seconds. Here they come now, down the ladder.